chopping vegetables doesn't have to be slow or messy. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best vegetable choppers, comparing blade performance, ease of use, capacity, and value to help you pick the right one for your kitchen. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Fullstar, the original Pro Chopper, vegetable chopper and spiralizer, food chopper with container, fruit slicer, kitchen gadgets and gifts, home essentials. The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper is one of the most popular kitchen prep tools for home cooks who want to save time when preparing fresh ingredients. It's best known for its multifunction vegetable chopper, built-in spiralizer, sharp stainless steel blades, and integrated storage container that keeps countertops cleaner during meal prep. Whether you're making salads, soups, stir-fries, salsa, or meal prep containers. In real-world use, the Fullstar Pro Chopper handles onions, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and many other vegetables with consistent, even cuts. The interchangeable blades allow users to dice, chop, slice, and spiralize ingredients depending on the recipe, making it a versatile addition to almost any kitchen. Although very hard vegetables may require a little extra pressure, using smaller pieces generally produces smoother, more consistent results. Like any kitchen tool with sharp blades, proper handling and cleaning are important for safe operation. Overall, the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper is an excellent choice for American home cooks looking for an affordable, versatile kitchen gadget that speeds up food preparation, improves consistency, and makes everyday cooking easier. Number 2. Miller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Vegetable Chopper 8-Blade Mandolin Slicer, Kitchen Tools and Gadgets, Food and Veggie Chopper, Mincer, Dicer, French Fry Cutter. The Miller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is a versatile food preparation tool designed to simplify chopping, slicing, dicing, and shredding in the kitchen. It's best known for its 10-in-1 functionality, 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades, integrated mandolin slicer, French fry cutter, food dicer, and built-in collection container. In everyday use, the Pro Series chopper quickly handles onions, potatoes, carrots, peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, apples, and many other fruits and vegetables. The interchangeable blades allow users to switch between fine and coarse dicing, slicing, julienne cuts, shredding, and French fry preparation without needing several separate kitchen tools. The sharp stainless steel blades produce uniform cuts that not only improve presentation but also help ingredients cook more evenly. Its compact design fits comfortably in most kitchen cabinets, while the removable components make cleaning relatively simple after use. Although users should avoid forcing exceptionally hard produce through the blades, cutting larger vegetables into smaller pieces beforehand improves both safety and performance. Care should also be taken during blade changes because the cutting edges are extremely sharp. Overall, the Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is an outstanding choice for American buyers who want a durable, multifunction kitchen tool that saves time, reduces prep work, and replaces several individual cutting gadgets with one convenient solution. Number 3. Vegetable Chopper Veggie Cutter Onion Fruit Potato Dicer with Container, Stainless Steel Construction, Fruit Potato Salad Dicer, Dishwasher Safety, Easy Cleaning, Safety Handguards. This vegetable chopper with container is designed for busy home cooks who want to reduce meal prep time without sacrificing consistent results. It's best known for its stainless steel cutting blades, built-in collection container, dishwasher-safe components, and safety handguard that helps protect your fingers while slicing and dicing. In real-world use, the chopper handles a wide variety of ingredients, including onions, potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, peppers, apples, and many other fruits and vegetables. The sharp stainless steel blades produce evenly sized pieces that help ingredients cook more consistently while giving meals a cleaner, more professional appearance. One of its biggest advantages is onion preparation, allowing users to finish the job quickly while reducing exposure to onion fumes. Dishwasher-safe parts also simplify cleanup after cooking, making it a practical option for busy families and anyone who prepares meals frequently. The included safety handguard provides additional protection when working with smaller ingredients, helping users safely make full use of the blades. Although very hard vegetables may require cutting into smaller pieces before use, the chopper performs efficiently for most everyday kitchen tasks. Care should always be taken when handling or cleaning the sharp blades. Overall, this vegetable chopper with container is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for an affordable kitchen gadget that speeds up food preparation, keeps the workspace cleaner, and delivers consistent chopping results for everyday cooking. Number 4. Kia 8-in-1 Vertical Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer with Container White, Safe Tap-Out Dicer with Handguard for Kitchen Easy Food Prep, Onion Potato Veggie Fruit. The Kia 8-in-1 Vertical Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make chopping, slicing, and dicing faster while improving safety and convenience. It's best known for its 8-in-1 functionality, vertical pushdown design, interchangeable cutting blades, built-in collection container, and included handguard that helps reduce direct contact with sharp blades. Its compact design makes it well suited for everyday cooking, meal prep, and preparing fresh ingredients with less effort. In everyday use, the vertical chopping mechanism allows users to apply downward pressure instead of repeatedly slicing with a knife, making food preparation quicker and more consistent. It works well for onions, potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, apples, and many other fruits and vegetables. The handguard improves safety by helping users keep their fingers away from the cutting blades during operation. After cooking, the removable components are easy to rinse clean, helping reduce cleanup time before storing the unit in a kitchen cabinet. While tougher vegetables should be cut into smaller pieces before processing, the sturdy blades perform efficiently for most everyday meal preparation. As with any sharp kitchen tool, careful handling during blade changes and cleaning is recommended. Overall, the Kia 8-in-1 Vertical Vegetable Chopper is an excellent choice for American home cooks who want a space-saving kitchen gadget that combines multiple cutting functions with improved safety and faster food preparation. Number 5. UltraChop All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. The UltraChop All-in-One Vegetable Chopper is built for home cooks who want a single kitchen gadget that simplifies nearly every stage of vegetable preparation. It's best known for its multifunction cutting system, sharp stainless steel blades, food collection container, and compact design that helps reduce prep time while keeping the kitchen organized. Whether you're making salads, tacos, soups, casseroles, pasta dishes, or weekly meal prep containers, the UltraChop is designed to deliver fast, consistent cutting with minimal effort. In real-world use, the UltraChop handles many common kitchen ingredients, including onions, carrots, celery, cucumbers, peppers, potatoes, tomatoes, garlic, and a variety of fruits. Its interchangeable cutting options allow users to create evenly diced vegetables, slices, and chopped ingredients that improve both presentation and cooking consistency. Although no manual chopper completely replaces quality kitchen knives for every task, the UltraChop significantly reduces repetitive cutting for everyday recipes. Proper care should always be taken when handling the sharp blades during cleaning and storage. Overall, the UltraChop All-in-One Vegetable Chopper is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a practical, time-saving kitchen gadget that delivers consistent cutting performance, easy cleanup, and greater convenience for everyday cooking. That wraps up my top 5 best vegetable chopper picks. I hope this comparison helped you find the perfect tool to make meal prep faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.